Hi and welcome back YouTube. If you are subscribed, if you're not, please hit the subscribe button. It'd really help me out on the channel. Starting out, I've got the Holystone 360S drone. We're really excited about this. We've been wanting to get some footage, picture this beautiful island and bring it to you. So here's a short video unboxing the Holydrone HS360S. And like I said before, if you can subscribe, I'd be really grateful. 96.6% of you aren't subscribed, so just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, that'd be great. Thank you. First impressions, it comes in a nice box. It's got the battery there, controller, the actual joysticks to go in the controller. The whole thing is super light as well. Compact design, but yeah, let's get this thing charged up and get some footage. So I've got it all charged up, got the SD card ready to go in, so let's give it its first flight. Wish me luck. So this first flight with the drone was nearly 3 minutes long, but I have cut it down and speeded it up just a little bit. It was successful and landed without any problems at all, and did manage to get a few stills, so I'll drop them in just after this first flight. If you've got any questions or comments, guys, please drop them in the comments box below. I've got some more videos coming soon too, so I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.